So in this section, we're going to be solving quadratic equations. Now, a lot of the skills that we're going to be employing here, we've already seen in an earlier section. But what you need to be clear on is that there are differences here between what is in foundation and what is in higher. So with foundation, what you can be expected to do is to solve a quadratic equation using the difference of two squares and also via factorising if the quadratic is of the form x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay, so essentially you're limited to those types of problems. Higher will deal with both of those, but also factorising ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So using factorising to solve, or using completing the square to solve, or using the quadratic formula. I'll do. Okay, so difference of two squares, factorising, completing the square, all of those have been met previously as methods that we use for different reasons. But we're going to be using them primarily just to solve equations, solve quadratic equations. The quadratic formula, this hasn't been introduced yet in the playlist. So in this section, I will introduce it to you. I will also put in a derivation video as well, so you can see where it actually comes from. But that will definitely be extension. You won't need to replicate that, okay, in the exam. It is there for your interest, and just to show you that if you know how to complete the square and rearrange algebra, then you can derive the quadratic formula using the skills that you have.